First, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you less important updates about further per coin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion because friends this is another Sui ecosystem meme coin, a base Sui ecosystem meme coin, and already this meme coin has hit $50 million market cap a few months ago, but right now due to recent market crash, its current market cap you can see just $3.4 million, 93% down than its all-time high. So this price, this current market cap can be the best buying opportunity for us here because when this market cap will again recover, then this meme coin, FUD coin will again recover soon here, and maybe we can see its new all-time high in coming just few months here. Because friends, still this meme coin is listed on few central exchanges, so still lots of central exchange listing left for FUD coin. That is definitely possible. Then crypto market will again recover. We can see a massive hype for Sui ecosystem meme coin. Then definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next big crypto here. Fast forward, current price rupees 7 times $060, and last 24-hour pump by 13%, but in last 30 days 47% dump, in last 7 days 8% dump. So this is normal because entire crypto market's dump. Current market cap right now only $3.4 million. So very low cap meme coin right now. $1.4 million trading volume. So friends, trading volume right now is still good as this market cap is very low. You can see Sui ecosystem meme coin, and this is one of old Sui ecosystem meme coin. This meme coin was created before Hippo coin. Okay, suiting Hippo coin. I can see fresh Sui ecosystem meme coin. This is good. 93% down than its all time high. There were 5 months ago, October 3rd. This meme coin has back its all time high. There was 0.6 times $0.93, and right now we are 93% down here. And only 21% up than its all time low. There were 4 days ago. So right now this meme coin has hit its all time low price, and right now we are going upward. And if BTC will stable above $80,000, and then definitely it's possible that we can see a bullish momentum again in crypto market, and especially in meme coin category, because meme coins are right now barely dump here, just like here you can see fresh 93% down. Okay, and right now we are on its all-time low, so mostly meme coins right now on their own all-time lows here. But friends, definitely when again we see a massive boom for meme coins in crypto market, maybe in coming 1 month or 2 months, then definitely we can see their new all-time high also. I can see friends, BitGet, MEXC, Get.io, CoinX, and some Sui DAXes has listed this coin. But friends, still there's no any tier 1 central exchange, there's no Binance, Coinbase, no any other central exchange. Okay, here I can see, okay, only MEXC, Get.io, BitGet has listed. If you have not joined MEXC and Get.io yet, I will provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges. KYC is very simple. After that you can buy all newly launched meme coins there before listing on major central exchanges, just like you can see further bug is also listed on MEXC and Get.io. I'm holding this meme coin already on MEX exchange. FSXC on 12th December 2023. This meme coin was created here, 1 year old meme coin. So this is good. Number of holders are also good. You can see 36,747 holders for this meme coin. This is no doubt amazing. FF website is also looking good. In my previous videos, I already show you this website, so you can check out again. This website is good. You can copy its official contract address from their website. Okay, and you can check out all further details here. The OG meme coin on Sui, no doubt this is very old meme coin on Sui, as I already told you. Shooting Hippo, that is the high market right now meme coin that is also listed on Binance futures, but this meme coin is created before that meme coin. Okay, these are some central exchanges and dexes where this coin is listed. Cactus, Sui Dex where this coin list. You can see friends, tokenomics is amazing. 20% of this supply is already burned, so this is good that for meme coins 20% supply is already burned, 5% supply for contributors, 20% for liquidity, so this is no doubt good. 83.9 trillion coin supply. Okay friends, like see total supply is 83.9% trillion supply, and burn supply is 24.5%. So this is amazing. That's why I like this meme coin. That's why I'm holding this meme coin. That is 24.5% supply is burned. So right now in circulation only 57.5% of supply. So no doubt this is good that right now with low supply in circulation, and maybe in coming few months we can see some more burning from this meme coin also, because at 3.9 trillion supply and 24.5% supply is burned. So this is good, friends. You can check out all further details by yourself also, because if you are making investment here in this meme coin, do your own research, because I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, friends, so now my price prediction for FUD coin is definitely, as its all-time high market was around $50 million. So definitely, friends, in coming few months, if crypto market goes good and we can see a bullish momentum for BTC and all other crypto market, then definitely this meme coin has really potential to claim again that levels just like $40 million, $50 million. But in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion, this ecosystem meme coin has definitely potential to be the next at least 200x potential meme coin. Maybe we can see its market cap from just $3 million to maybe $600 million here. It all depends upon hype. If we have a massive hype for Solana ecosystem meme coin, so in coming few months, if we see a massive hype for Sui ecosystem meme coin, then definitely this meme coin and many other Sui ecosystem meme coin can be listed on Binance, and at that time, definitely $600 million market cap will be nothing for this. This meme coin can achieve $1 billion market cap. I'm already holding, but if you're also making investment here, do your own research and then invest here.